This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about beverage dispensers, specifically this 2-gallon BevTech beverage dispenser. You can see it's a beautiful crystal clear acrylic that sits in a bamboo base. The base comes in 3 options. We have this lovely warm bamboo, which I think is fantastic for spas, restaurants, hotels, if you're doing a juice bar or infused water. It also comes in clear and white. It's got a great little dispenser there for controlled distribution, and since it's sitting on its own base, you don't have to worry about getting the cups underneath there or having things on the edges of tables and bars. So it's a fantastic little setup. That crystal clear square top makes for a lovely, elegant display, and it comes with a removable infusion core. So you can pack it with freshly sliced fruit, citrus, berries, or other items to make infused flavored waters and other drinks. Think iced tea with the lemon already in it. Things like sangria. And it's got an easily removable top right up there, so it's easy to fill. It's also easy to take apart. You just remove the top to wash and care for it, and you can also remove that core from the inside for easy washing and care. It comes with a little instruction sheet on how to install the spigot and also for proper care instructions. And you want to make sure that you read both of those before you assemble it, and also for while you're washing it and taking care of it to make sure you maintain that beautiful crystal clear finish.